Hi everyone, quick one here. Yeah, let me, before I do that, let me say, how was your day or how's your day been going? I'm about to stress my fruits. You know, this is actually inspired by my little ones. I was talking to some little children. Little children, yeah, you call them children, honey. Oh, I wake up tired. Oh, I'm so stressed. This one is stress. Anything, I don't want nobody stressing you. I was like, this generation of stress. There's somebody say, oh, I just want to live a soft life. We are. Eh? So what I always tell them is like, if you want orange juice, if you do not stress that orange, it will not give you orange juice. Okay, so that's why the title of this thing is how I stress my fruits. I want to make some fruits here I got from, I brought back. So I have, let me tell you what I have in this bowl. I have carrots, I have my ginger. My ginger. I must not forget my ginger. So I have carrots, lemon, green apple. I have what else I got in here? Actually, I have celery sticks. Anything that will give me juice, it's in here. And of course, I have my juicer. I'm about to stress. So let me show you what I normally do. And I have my bottle to store my food. So this container, I normally will put this because me, so I like to live soft life. So this will kind of catch what is coming out, and I can just take it out like that. I don't have to wash the bowl. Hello. And this will catch the juice. So simple. It's like, I love this juicer. Oh, I love this juicer. So very simple. Very simple. I'll put my ginger in there. So carrot, melon, celery sticks, lime, anything that you can juice, anything, period. Green apple. I just put them in there. I close it and let it do work. It's as simple as that. I love it because I don't have to be feeding it. And you see that? You open this to get your juice. Yeah. I just fill it up again once I see it's almost. And that's how I make my juice. So very simple, very easy to make. I love the fact that I don't have to be feeding this thing. I just scoop it there and close it up and let it do its work. Everybody work. Okay, guys, my young people, this life, nothing good comes easy. All right, guys. easy is this thing. This cuts my, oh my goodness. Before, my other juicer, I used to stand and be feeding it. I don't have to do that with this. You just scoop it in, let the juicer work his work. Let the juicer work his miracle. Celery sticks and all that good stuff. You can actually feed it one by one, but that's too much work. Because I maybe want you to wash some stuff, take trash out. So that's the benefit of this juicer. Open it up. Toss some more of your fruit in it. And let the baby do the work. And you can do some other stuff that you want to do. Let the baby do the work. Oh, you know what? I have cucumber. My lemon cucumber. I have some lemon cucumber, so it's going in there. And I have my regular cucumber. Alright guys. Okay. I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy juicing and hope you enjoy stressing your fruits to get some good stuff out of it.